the untold truth about money. Imagine holding the power to change lives with a simple piece of paper. Today, we're unraveling the incredible journey of money, from the dusty barter system of ancient times to the digital currencies of today. Ready to uncover the secrets behind the world's most fascinating invention? Let's dive in. Section 1. The universal desire for money. Money, a word that echoes in every corner of the globe. From the wealthiest billionaires to those living paycheck to paycheck, everyone craves it. But why? Because money isn't just currency, it's freedom, security, and a ticket to opportunities. It's the invisible hand that builds towering skyscrapers and fuels luxury cars. But beneath its allure lies a deeper truth. Money is merely a representation of value. Interesting fact. Did you know that the concept of money dates back over 5,000 years? The ancient Sumerians were among the first to use tokens for trade, laying the groundwork for the financial systems we know today. Section 2. The birth of trade. Let's travel back thousands of years. Picture a world where if you wanted sugar, you had to find someone with sugar who needed rice. This was the barter system, complex and frustrating. To solve this, humans turned to commodities. Cattle, grain, tobacco, and liquor became the first currencies. But guess what? They spoiled and lost value. What we needed was something more universal, something that could withstand the test of time. Enter gold and silver coins. These shiny treasures became the first real currency, but carrying around heavy gold was risky, especially with theft lurking at every corner. Section 3. The rise of banks. Let's fast forward to modern banking. Imagine a time when goldsmiths offered safekeeping services, issuing receipts as proof of your deposit. These receipts, or IOUs, marked the dawn of paper money. But the game was just beginning. The bank's magic trick. Picture this. You deposit 1,000 rupees in the bank. They keep a small portion, let's say 100 rupees, and lend out the remaining 900. Both you and the borrower now have money, even though the bank only has your original deposit. This is how banks create money. They transform a single deposit into a multiple of currency through loans. Mind-blowing, right? Section 4. The Great Illusion. But here's the kicker. If everyone rushed to withdraw their money at once, the bank wouldn't be able to pay them all. Why? Because over 90% of the money is just numbers on a screen created through loans and interest. This is the magic of fractional reserve, banking a system that operates on trust, probabilities, and a little bit of risk. Remember the 2008 financial crisis? It was a stark reminder of how fragile this system can be. People panicked, banks collapsed, and the world faced a financial meltdown because of the very illusion we trust. Section 5. Money versus currency. Now, let's clarify a common misconception. Money and currency are not the same. Currency is just a tool for exchange, while money has intrinsic value. Think about it, your paper currency could lose value if the government deems it worthless. But gold, that retains its value no matter what. Real-world example. When hyperinflation struck Zimbabwe in the late 2000s, people resorted to trading in US dollars because their local currency had lost its purchasing power. This illustrates the critical difference between currency and true money. Section 6. The value of real gold. In a world of digital transactions, some might urge you to invest in gold bonds or digital assets. But let's be real, physical gold is still your best bet in times of crisis. When the world is in turmoil, a small amount of real gold can buy you essentials, while a digital certificate won't feed you. Interesting insight. The demand for physical gold surged during the COVID-19 pandemic as investors flocked to it as a safe haven. It's a timeless asset that has weathered financial storms for centuries. Conclusion. The evolution of money from simple trades to complex banking systems shows just how creative humanity can be. Understanding money's true nature empowers you to make better financial decisions. So, the next time you touch a dollar bill or swipe your card, remember, it's not just currency. It's a symbol of our collective trust and ingenuity. What are your thoughts on the evolution of money? Do you think digital currencies are the future, or is physical money here to stay? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more intriguing insights. Thanks for joining us today on this financial journey. Stay curious, and until next time, keep questioning the world around you.